Welcome to Top 15 YouTube Channels to Unlock the Secrets of Social Media Marketing. Number 15. This YouTube channel provides actionable advice on social media strategy and marketing to help viewers succeed online. Number 14. CF Digital Marketing is a YouTube channel providing video and marketing tips for small businesses to reach their goals. Number 13. Ollie Chapman is a tech-focused YouTube channel with reviews, unboxings, and tutorials for 14.6K subscribers. Number 12. REZAB's YouTube channel offers bite-sized social media marketing advice and trend insights for data-driven marketers. Number 11. This YouTube channel provides helpful insights and tips to maximize social media for website traffic, leads, and sales. Number 10. Grow your online business with Steen's Serial Entrepreneur YouTube channel, offering free training and weekly updates with 64.7K plus subscribers. Number 9. This YouTube channel features Aaron Ward, an entrepreneur sharing his strategies and tools to help viewers build a successful online business and gain financial freedom. Number 8. This YouTube channel is a great resource for learning from a Google-certified digital marketing trainer with 5 years of experience. Number 7. This YouTube channel helps entrepreneurs create and launch successful online courses and coaching programs with strategies, resources, and a free Facebook group. Number 6. This channel provides practical, useful advice on social media marketing for businesses, backed by an Amazon bestseller. Number 5. Willson is a successful entrepreneur, social media marketer, and college dropout with over 58.2K subscribers on YouTube. Number 4. Billie Jean is Marketing is a YouTube channel for learning social media advertising, with 78.2K subscribers and the opportunity to get certified and work with him directly. Number 3. This channel is the ultimate resource for social media marketing, with useful advice and guidance for businesses. Number 2. Hildreth is an internet entrepreneur and social media expert helping over 200,000 people create passive income through affiliate marketing. Number 1. This YouTube channel offers tutorials and tips on how to create effective ads on LinkedIn to maximize your returns. That's it for our countdown of the top 15 social media marketing YouTube channels from Top List Central, your source for discovering top lists in AI, business, technology, self-development, and finance. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and stay tuned to Top List Central for more lists like this either on our website or follow us on Twitter.